Good morning, students. Here is your English teacher, and now there is English time for you. So, students, today we will learn about subject and predicate that are parts of a sentence. A complete sentence is made by two parts that are subject and predicate. Here, subject is naming part and predicate is telling part. So, subject and predicate make a complete sentence. The first part of sentence, that is subject. Subject is a naming part. It tells who or what the sentence is about. Let me see an example. Luke played soccer. Here, Luke is subject of the sentence because all the sentence is about Luke. Let me see next example. The apple is red. Now students, guess what is subject in this sentence? Yes, right. The apple is subject. Now we come to the next part of sentence, that is predicate. The second part of sentence is predicate, that is telling part of a sentence. It tells what someone or something is or does. Let's take a look at this example. Mr. Bart lost his hat. Here, lost his hat is predicate because this part of sentence tells what Mr. Bart is did. Let me see next example. A bee buzzed around me. Now guess what is the predicate in this sentence? Yes, right. It is buzzed around me because this part of a sentence also tells what the bee is did. Now, subject and predicate make a complete sentence, and if you have only one part, is not a complete sentence. If you have just subject like this example, the pig, you have no idea what the pig is or does. And if you have just predicate like is deep and cold, you have no idea what is deep and cold. So students, now we knew without subject and predicate there is no complete sentence. I hope you all understand it.